Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a problem like this. Now these problems are proportion problems, and we also call them scaling problems, because what you're doing is you have a quantity or a price of something and you're required to change the numbers so that you can find out quantities for larger and smaller amounts. Let me explain what I mean. So in a cafe, 3 cups of tea cost £1.80. So we don't know what the price costs for 1 cup, so that makes these questions a bit tricky. And what we're going to look at is how we find out how much do 9 cups cost, how much do 2 cups cost, and how much do 40 cups cost. The first thing we need to do is just do a little kind of very simple chart. So I'm going to put cups here. Let's write cups of tea. And then here I'm going to write the cost. And what do I know? I know that 3 cups costs £1.80. Okay, I know that. Little arrow to connect them. So let's look at the first question. What do 9 cups cost? Well, if I look at 9 cups straight away, I think to myself, well, how many times bigger is 9 than 3? And 9 is 3 times bigger than 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 cups must cost 3 times as much as 3 cups, so I need to multiply this by 3. Now, I've made a couple of mistakes recently doing some of these videos, which is a lesson to me not to rely on mental math. So let's just quickly write up here, £1.80 times 3. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s 24, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, £5.40. There we go. It's that same thing of whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. So how much do 9 cups cost? They cost 3 times as many as 3 cups, so that is £5.40. Right, let's look at the next question. How much do 2 cups cost? Well, that's a bit of a problem, isn't it? Because I can't just... 2 cups is less than 3 cups. So how am I going to work that out? Well, I'm going to show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write this out again. I'm going to write 3 cups cost £1.80. They've got to be the worst pound signs you've ever seen, haven't they? So 3 cups cost £1.80. What I want to do now is work out what 1 cup cost. So how am I going to get from 3 to 1? Well, I'm going to need to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you get it. I've got to do the same on this side. So £1.80 divided by 3. Now, I hope that you can recognise that that's the same as 18. Well, how many 3's in 18 is 6. So how many 3's are there in £1.80? It must be 60. So if I've got £1.80 and I split it into 3, I will have 60 pence, okay, or 0.6 of a pound. So now I know that 1 cup costs us 60 pence. I now know that 2 cups times 2, I need to double that 60p. So double 60 is, are you ready for another not very good pound sign? £1.20. Double 60 is £1.20. So that's answered that question. How much do 2 cups cost? £1.20. Now, how much do 40 cups cost? Well, now I know what 1 cup is. I could work out any number of cups, but I'll write 40 here. And I know that 2's go into 40, so I can just straight away go, well, 2 times 20 is 40. So I'm going to need to multiply £1.20 times 20. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go 2 times £1.20. Now 2 times £1.20, let me just write my working down here. £1.20 times 2 is £2.40. And then 20 is 10 times as big as 2, so I need to make that 10 times larger to give me an answer of £24. So what I've done is I've doubled that, and then I've multiplied it by 10. So 40 cups cost £24. There you go. Proportion and scaling. The thing to remember here, and I'm going to do some more example videos, is whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. And it's really, really helpful when they often give you a question like, you know what 3 kilos are or 400 grams. It's always good to get down to what 1 cup of tea is, or 100 grams, or 1 kilo, or 1 meter. And then you can use the 1, put an arrow towards that as my important one, then I can work out any other number. So good luck with that.